ever wondered how chemical reactions occur in our daily life? From cooking, food, to cleaning products, chemical reactions happen around us every day. Assalamualaikum and hello, my name is Shazni and this video is part of our chemistry assignment. So today, we'll be introducing the topic of chemical equations. So, basically, chemical equations is a symbol representation of a chemical reaction. It shows the reactants, which are the starting substances, and the products, which are the substances formed after the reaction. Chemical equations help us understand what happens during a chemical reaction. In this video, we will explain the basic concept of chemical equations along with examples to make it easier to understand. Let us begin.
Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about detergent and the differences between detergent and soap. So, what exactly is detergent? Well, detergent is a cleaning agent that we use every day to use clothes, dishes, and even some surface at home. Unlike water alone, detergent can remove some stain and grease effectively. Secondly, detergents are called surfactants. It means they help water mix with oil and dirt, so stain can be washed away. Detergent molecules are really interesting because they have two parts. One part called hydrophobic tail. Hydrophobic tail love oil and grease. And the other part is hydrophilic tail. Hydrophilic tail love water. This special structure is what allows detergent to trap grease when we rinse with water. That's why detergents are effective for everyday cleaning.
What is the difference between detergent and soap?
There's a lot of difference between detergent and soap. Soap is made from natural fat or oil. In process, we call it saponification. While detergents are synthetic, which made from chemical derived from petroleum. Second, detergent works well in hot water because soap reacts with minerals like calcium and magnesium, which form scum, which make it less effective. Detergent, on the other hand, don't form scum, so they can work well no matter what water you use. Lastly, detergents are generally more power than soap, especially for oily and tough stains. That's why most washing powder and wash dishes liquid nowadays are made from detergent rather than soap.
Hi everyone, so now I would like to talk about cleaning product, which is detergent. Detergent is a cleaning product that we use to wash clothes, dishes or even your surface at home. We usually use detergent when clothes have oil stains or dishes are dirty. It works because it contains special chemicals called surfactants which help remove oil and dirt so that water can wash them away. Detergent also works well in hard and soft water because it doesn't form residue like soap. So now, let's talk about how to use detergent. Firstly, wet the clothes, dishes or surface with water. Then, add a small amount of detergent. Scrub it to make detergent work. And lastly, rinse with clean water. When detergent mixes with water, the hydrophobic attach to dirt and oil, while hydrophilic stays in water. So, the dirts are lifted from fabric and washed away with water. This is why detergent is very effective at removing dirt. By understanding how detergent works, we can see how chemical molecules make cleaning easier, faster and more efficient. In this situation, water plays a very important role. Water acts as a solvent, which means it helps the detergent dissolve and mix with clothes or surface. Without water, the detergent cannot clean well.
Hello everyone! Did you know how detergents work in cleaning dirt on your clothes? Today, I'm gonna share with you guys how detergents work in cleaning heavy dirt and the chemical equation involved. Heavy dirt is usually made up of oil or grease, which does not dissolve in water. So, washing it along with water does not effective. Detergents are able to remove this type of stain because of their chemical structure. The cleaning action of detergent can be shown using this simplified chemical equation. In this process, the hydrophobic tail, which is in the earth group, are attached to the grease and oil, while at the same time, the hydrophilic sulfonic tail, which is SO3-, are still remains in the water. This forms the spherical small structures that trap the grease inside. This process is known as emulsification. Through emulsification, large grease particles are broken into smaller droplets and suspended into the water instead of sticking to the surface. When the surface is rinsed with water, the micelles containing grease are washed away. When the surface is rinsed with water, the micelles containing grease are washed away. That is why detergents are effective at removing heavy dirt and oily dirt. In conclusion, chemical equation and detergent structure explain their cleaning ability. The interaction between detergent molecule, grease, and water make the heavy dirt wash efficiently. Keep detergent powerful cleaning agent in daily life.
Have you ever thought that detergent is so great because it can clean bad germs and can clean dirt and crime from dirty surface? Let me explain how detergent works to clean dirt on a surface. So, there is a molecule from detergent that can break down grease, dirt, and germs. Detergent molecule has a heat and a tail, where the heat is called hydrophilic. Hydrophilic love water and is an ion-dipole interaction and hydrogen bonding, while the tail is hydrophobic. Hydrophobic hates water. Hydrophobic tends to stick to grease and oil and is able to trap microbes or small germs. There is a layer of mucus around it including virus and bacteria will stick to it to attract and isolate bad germs. When we put detergent in water, hydrophobic will stick to grease or dirt and trap it in small spheres called micelles. During cleaning, the hydrophobic tail will stick to the dirt. When we scrub the surface on the dirt will be carried away and come off until it floats in the detergent solution and foam. When we rinse with water, the grease and dirt will disappear. The conclusion. In this experiment, detergent is often used to explain concepts chemical reaction with dirt. This connects everyday cleaning with the scientific principles of chemistry, making detergent an excellent example of chemistry in daily life.